Hello, my name is Alfredo, and this is Off the Strip, where I introduce you to places just minutes off the Las Vegas Strip or take you on one of my adventures. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. More information is listed below. In this video, we are heading to Bali. We just left the Centurion Lounge and now heading to our gate to head to Bali. So see you there. After a very long journey, we finally made it to Bali, made it through customs. Tip, you gotta get a visa, it's $33 US, and then you got to, what else do you have to do? Fill out a declaration form using a QR code, and then stand in line, and more lines and more lines. Bring your COVID vaccination card. So we made it to Bali. So it's nearly 3 a.m. here in Bali. We just booked all our tours and we have our driver taking us to our hotel. So it's our first official day in Bali. It's gonna be kind of a rest day. We had a really long day and a late night last night. So we're just gonna kind of relax today and get ready for our first tour. We're getting picked up at 2:30 a.m. So because it's our first day, it's our rest day, we're just kind of walking around. We're at the Bali Collection, which just literally, it was a 7-minute drive on taxi, which was 30,000 rupees, which is $2 to get here. Yeah, so we're gonna walk around here, get my Starbucks mug, and then go back to the hotel for a little happy hour, then get my massage, and then rest up because we are getting picked up at 2:30 a.m. for our tour at Tanah, which is about 2 hours away. So it's gonna be a good, relaxing day. So Bali is really reminding me of the Philippines, you know, very tropical, very green, lots of shops like this. So it's kind of a neat place. I'm glad we came. Well, look what I found. As you guys know, I collect Starbucks mugs, and bada bing, bada boom, there it is. Hopefully they have the mugs. So bad news, the Starbucks lady at the counter just told me that they are out of mugs. All of Bali Starbucks is sold out of the travel mugs. And it's really hot, and it's strange to be hearing Christmas music when it's this hot. It is so hot and humid after walking around Bali Collection and doing some sightseeing and shopping. It's just cooling off before my massage in about an hour. I'm excited for that, to kind of just relax. Oh look, right here is our hotel room right off of the lazy river.